Hey everyone, this is Arun, and today in this video, I'm discussing the solution for this question. The Saussy Lumber Company ships pine flooring to 3 building supply houses from its mills in Pineville, Oak Ridge, and Mapletown. Determine the best transportation schedule for the data given below in the table on this page. So here, in this for this question, we have a table, and this is the first column where from and to are given, where which one is first one is Pine Valley, then Oak Ridge, then Mapletown, the supply house demand, and we have the figures for each one of the houses for supply, and the last one is the mill capacity in tons. So this one, this table serves as the constants for this question, and we need to provide the best transportation schedule. So I have already solved using Excel solver for this question. So here, this is my formulation part. This one is my formulation where P1, P2, and P3 is the units of shipped from Pine Valley to supply house 1, 2, and 3. Then similarly R1, R2, and R3, which is shipped from Oak Ridge to supply house 1, 2, 3, and then M1, M2, M3 for the unit shipped to Mapletown. So these are the variables, and from the constants we have this one as we discussed from the question itself, and then our goal is to minimize cost. So this is the minimization cost from row number 5, 3P1 plus 3P2 plus 2P3 plus 4R1 plus 2R2 plus 3R3 plus 3M1 plus 2M2 plus 3M. So this one is our minimization cost, and I have solved this question using Excel solver. So this report has been automatically gets created, and our final value is 230. And this one is our sensitivity report. And then this sheet serves as the limits report. And this one is our solver setup, where row number 3 is the decision variables. And then this one is our constants. So the constants are C4 and C5. So 5 constants we have in all. And then our goal is to minimize the profit. This one is our minimization, and then this one is the total profit. So 230 is our final answer for this question. So I hope you like this video, and I'm an instructor, and I have an experience of around 10 years in the same field. So if you need any more help in another questions as well, you can reach me out. I will be sharing you the details, my contact details, my WhatsApp and email address in the description part of this video. So you can just reach me out for this Excel file. And if you have more questions to from this textbook, from any subject, so you can reach me out for that one as well. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you like this video. Do subscribe me for your future updates, and thanks, and have a great day. Take care. Bye.